In this video, I will show you how to automate Wix profit with Google Sheets. So for this, first of all, go to make.com and sign into your account. If you are new, then sign up, and this is the main dashboard after signing in. In the left side, we have the scenarios option. Click on scenarios, and on the top right side, click on create a new scenario. As you click on new scenario, you will be directed to this interface. Now there we have this plus icon. Click on it. So you will find a lot of tools here. First of all, we will add Google Sheets here. So we will add update a cell. Okay. So now the Google Sheet is added here. We need to create a connection. So click on create a connection, and from here click on sign in with Google. Okay, so now the Google account is added here. You need to add a search path, so you can select from all and then add a spreadsheet item here and then cell and value and then click on save. Once all this done, now again click on this plus icon and here search for Wix and add this here. So now the Wix is added, so I will go with get a card. So now the Wix is added too. Now we have to interlink both of them here. So click on this icon here and set up a filter. So you need to add a label here. Just add a condition. Okay. Now text operators equal to update range. Drag and drop it here and now click on save. So now they are integrated together. Now you can track payments on Wix through Google Sheets. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.